What is up, everybody? Welcome back to day 26 of working on project cars every day, bringing you guys along for the ride. This morning, I got the old diff back on my wife's S14 because it turned out that it was a R200 two-way LSD, and apparently two ways are supposed to make the clutter and chatter and clunking. Didn't know that. I'm getting educated on differentials, so big shout out to Jimmy Oakes and Rob Carlson. Thank you guys for the help. So now since the diff is sorted in this thing, everything else has been gone through, so it's time to party with this thing. So let's go party. Car can get down. We know that. It's a good ass car. It's sorted, ready for Madison. Now, today, I am gonna clean the shop up again because it's a disaster. Look at this from the skyline. Bro, this is disastrous. Also, talking about the skyline, the problem I thought I had fixed before, I didn't fix. There's still coolant dripping, which means this whole intake's gotta come off and we gotta replace all those hoses. So that's gonna happen next week. So keep your eye out for that video. All right, guys, well, thank you very much for watching day 26. If you guys like this content that we're doing full-length videos, and we're gonna start documenting my wife's and my drift journey of learning how to drift and seeing where that goes. But thank you for watching, and come back for tomorrow, day 27.
Peace out.